Deepfakes, a growing threat to society, are eroding trust in our digital world. In this video, we'll explore the rise of deepfakes, their impact on trust, and potential solutions to combat them. Deepfakes are realistic synthetic media created using AI, often depicting people saying or doing things they didn't. Deepfakes are concerning as they can be used for political manipulation, financial fraud, social media scams, and personal harassment. Deepfakes erode trust in media, institutions, and individuals, creating a climate of uncertainty and doubt. Deepfakes can be used to spread propaganda, defame politicians, and influence elections. Deepfakes can be used to impersonate individuals in financial transactions, leading to fraud and financial losses. Deepfakes can be used to create fake social media accounts, spread misinformation, and manipulate public opinion. Deepfakes can be used for revenge, extortion, and cyberbullying, causing severe emotional and psychological distress to victims. Detecting deepfakes is challenging due to their sophistication, requiring advanced AI techniques. AI technology advances enable more realistic deepfakes, making them harder to detect. Deepfake creators constantly develop new techniques, staying ahead of detection methods. Many people are unaware of deepfakes or their potential impact, making them vulnerable to manipulation. To combat deepfakes, we need a multifaceted approach involving education, legislation, and technology. Education and awareness campaigns can help people identify and critically evaluate deepfakes. Legislation and regulation can help deter deepfake creation and provide legal recourse for victims. AI-powered detection tools can help identify deepfakes by analyzing patterns and inconsistencies. Deepfakes pose a serious threat to society, requiring collaborative efforts from individuals, governments, and tech companies to combat them. Deepfakes are a serious threat. Undermine trust. Spread misinformation. Fuel polarization. We need to work together to combat deepfakes and protect our digital world.